If you're getting low FPS, stuttering, or lag while playing games on Intel HD graphics, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you several simple settings that can improve gaming performance, reduce lag, and help you get smoother gameplay without installing any third-party software. Let's get started. First, right-click on your desktop and open Display Settings. Scroll down and click on Graphics Settings. Now add the games that you want to optimize for better performance. Once the game appears in the list, click Options, select High Performance, and then click Save. This tells Windows to prioritize maximum performance for your selected games instead of using balanced power settings. Now go back to your desktop. Right-click anywhere on the desktop and open Intel Graphics Properties. Once it opens, navigate to the 3D section. Simply copy all the settings exactly as I'm using them on the screen. These settings are focused on maximizing performance rather than visual quality, which can help improve FPS on low-end Intel HD graphics. Next, switch to the Video section. Open Image Enhancement. Then go to the Advanced tab. Again, copy the same settings shown on the screen. Depending on your Intel graphics driver version, these options may appear in a slightly different location, so just look around if your interface doesn't match mine exactly. Now open the Windows search bar, type Command Prompt, then right-click it and select Run as Administrator. You'll find the command used in this video in the description below. Simply copy the command, paste it into Command Prompt, and press Enter. After that, open Power Options. You should now see a new power plan called Ultimate Performance. Select it. This power plan reduces power saving restrictions and allows your CPU and other hardware to run at their maximum performance, which can help improve system responsiveness and provide more consistent FPS during gaming. Keep in mind that this setting may increase power consumption slightly, but it's a great option for desktop PCs and gaming laptops while plugged in. That's it. These are some of the best settings you can use to get better gaming performance on Intel HD graphics. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more Windows optimization guides, gaming fixes, and performance tips. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.